Hi guys, my name is Rahul and this is the unboxing of Redmi Note 6 Pro. So Redmi Note 6 Pro is the successor of Redmi Note 5 Pro, which was one of the most successful devices for Xiaomi this year. The differences between the devices is very small, and let us see what's inside the box and what is mentioned on around the box. There is 2 plus 2 MP selfie camera, 12 plus 5 MP dual camera on the back, 6.26 inch displays, 636 processor, black color variant. This is also the 6GB RAM variant with 64GB internal, dual SIM, dual standby, dual selfie camera, dual rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, there's face unlock, and this phone is made in India. That's something that is mentioned on the back. On the top of the phone there is almost same specs mentioned with along the price, that is rupees 17,999. If you ask me, I was not really interested in this device because it is not much of a successor of Redmi Note 5 Pro, even though the name suggests that it is. It has a notch display. It has a 2 MP depth sensor on the front, removing the flash. That was much more useful according to me. And there is a 12 MP rear camera with f1.9 aperture. Maybe there's a different sensor used. I don't know, but I don't think this is much more of improvement over Redmi Note 5 Pro. But if you think about the price, I think it is a pretty decent phone. I'm not saying that it is a bad phone, but as a successor, I don't think this is a great phone. So let us see what's inside the box for the time being, and let's talk about the device also. So I have opened the box, and at the top you can see the Redmi Note 6 Pro and a few of the specs that is already mentioned by me. So what we'll do is we will put aside the device for the time being, and we will dive into the box to see what is the box contents. So let's remove this and I will put it aside, and let's see. So it has a charger and a USB cable. So as I mentioned, Redmi Note 6 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery just like Note 5 Pro, but the difference is that this one supports Quick Charge 3.0. But unfortunately, the charger inside the box is not a quick charger. It is 5 volt 2 amp charger, which is not a quick charger. You have to buy a quick charger from the Xiaomi website. I think it's available for 500 rupees. So then the unfortunate factor is that even though it is a successor of Note 5 Pro, Xiaomi decided that they will stick with their micro USB cable, not a USB Type C cable. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I mean, they have to take a step to the future by putting a USB Type C cable here. I mean, they are calling this successor of the Note 5 Pro. I mean, that is a great step to take. But they decided, no, we will stick with the old cable or old port, legacy port. I don't know what to say. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, we can see that there is a SIM ejector tool. Then inside the box, as usual, there is a quick start guide and the warranty papers. I mean, warranty paper. I mean, there will be a mention of the service centers or something like that. Then there is this TPU case, which is very thin. I have seen the TPU cases from Honor and also the Realme too. I have to say that they provide a better TPU cases than Xiaomi. This is very thin case. I don't think it helps in any ways. Maybe helps with no scratches, but there's always this chance of phone jumping out this case itself. That's kind of disappointing from Xiaomi. They knew that this is happening. They could have improved the case, but hey, there's a case at least, and there is no earphones as usual. So the device is turning on. The same specs I mentioned, 28 plus 2 MP water camera, X textile. Let me peel off the plastics first. My UI 9, that is kind of a surprising thing. I thought it would be coming with my UI 10. That is a surprise for me. Let us talk about the device. It has 6.26-inch display, Full HD plus 19:9 display. It has 500 brightness, Corning red light glass protection, And as I mentioned, there is a notch now. Unlike the Note 5 Pro, there is a dual camera setup. That is, one is 20 MP f2.0 IMX376 sensor from Sony, and there's 2 MP depth sensor. I think there is an IR light, maybe for helping with the face unlock, and we can remove the plastics on the back also. This is looks exactly like Note 5 Pro. Maybe it is slightly rounded, but I think it looks exactly like the Note 5 Pro. Let's go around the device, and on the top you can see that there is a 3.5 headphone jack. There is a IR sensor for controlling the electronic devices, and there is also a mic. And on the bottom you can see the speaker grill and the USB micro USB port. It is a single speaker. And on this side you can see the power button and the volume locker key. And when we go to the back, you can see that there is a dual rear camera. One is the 12 MP rear camera with f1.9 aperture, and it has dual PD focus EAS, and there's a secondary 5 MP camera with f2.2 aperture, and there is a rear fingerprint sensor also. So the device is turned on. Let us see what's or the about part of the device to see what's inside. Okay, it comes with Android 8.1. It has August security patch, MIUI Global 9.6, 6 GB RAM. There is 52.18 GB available free space of 64 GB. And let us see if there is any difference in the camera also. Yeah, there is a mentioning of AI camera. I think last time I used Redmi Note 5 Pro, I don't think there was an AI camera option. This looks exactly like the Poco camera app. Let us see. Wow, that's a surprise. Xiaomi finally decided that they'll put a manual camera mode, a proper manual camera mode on a Redmi series device. It has focus control, WB, let me see shutter speed. Okay, shutter speed cannot be controlled beyond a few. I thought they should have given 16 seconds or 8 seconds at least, so that we could create this dramatic photos of light trails and everything. Okay, let us see the is there anything. Let us see what the video supports. As usual, just like in Note 5 Pro, it does not support 4K. Unfortunately, it does not support 1080p 60 fps also. But there is image stabilization. 60 fps 1080p mode was available on Note 5 Pro. So that's about the device. I'm not going to do any in-depth review or anything like that for this phone, because I believe this is two same to same phone. So I can say that there is a 4 GB 64 GB variant of this phone which is available 13,999, and my variant, that is 6 GB RAM with 64 GB variant, is available for 15,999. And there is black, blue, rose gold and red editions. It will be available in Flipkart and Xiaomi. I think I will put some camera samples for you guys to check out. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Hi, this is a sample video of Redmi Note 6 Pro. Hi, this is the sample of Redmi Note 6 Pro.